my channel. So today, guess what? I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on my face. This makeup is going to be holiday makeup tutorial. So guys, without further talking, let's just dive into the video. But before we dive into the video, make sure you hit the subscription button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Without further talking, let's just dive into the video. If you guys want to see how I transformed myself from this to this, just keep on watching. guys, this is the finished look of this, makeup tutorial, this holiday makeup tutorial, or just, do this makeup to like go out and chill with your friends and family, with your husband, anybody at all. So this makeup is just so simple and so easy to apply. So hopefully you guys really enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, thumbs up the video, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you guys want to see more of makeup tutorial, simple as easy, just leave a comment down below and I'm going to be making it for you guys. So all the everything I use will be listed down below. Yeah. So this is the makeup, this is the finished look, and this is how it turns out. So yeah, bye guys.